Hey, what's up everybody? This is your buddy Pal London Hawthorne here with yet another unboxing. I'm doing several today, so I'm going to be uploading them as I go. And as always, I want to say thanks for watching my video. This ship from Lexington, Kentucky. It's an Amazon Prime item. Probably subscribe and save, yep. So, what I do is I find things that, like supplements that are healthy, that help me. This is Biotin from the Natural brand. This is strawberry flavor, fast dissolve, 10,000 mcg, maximum strength. This is vegetarian item. It's got a carrot that represents vegetarian. So this is to promotes hair, radiant skin, and stronger nails. Oh yeah. So I'm not sponsored by Natural, but I'd love to be. Natural, hook a brother up, slide up in my DMs. If you have a supplement or another product you want me to do a review of, slide up in my DMs. If you want to help support my channel, you can go to onceuponatea.net. If you like cool shirts like this, use my username after you found your shirt of choice when you're checking out, and you're going to save like 10% off your shirt. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Another thing you can do is cash at me at London Hawthorne. Please subscribe, please share my videos, and check out my other thousands of YouTube videos. I love talking, I love commenting back, and I will. Have a good one.